Man, being the world's most dangerous animal, destroyed nature by erasing forest from it. Therefore, the saying is true: forests precede mankind, deserts follow. The supreme book in our country is the Constitution, but in India, the law remains in the book. Very few Indians respect it or abide by it. Very few still live by it. For instance, casteism has been banned by law and further enshrined in the Constitution of India. But if you travel across India today, you would still witness this evil practice in broad daylight. The questions arise for us now. Are we also shouldered with a responsibility then by the Constitution to preserve the environment? Are we the law-abiding citizens? Or are we the world's most dangerous animal? Please reflect and answer to your own conscience, because Article 48A of the Constitution of India provides that the state shall endeavor to protect and improve the environment and to safeguard the forests and wildlife of the country. If you gather facts and figures to analyze our responsibility in fulfilling this article, I am afraid that we all fall under the category of the animal. Another root factor which contributes to the ailing of Mother Earth is population. Look at the figures here. From the beginning of the world till 1800, the population was only 1 billion. From 1800 to 1900, it reached 2 billion. And from 1900 to 2000, it reached 3.7 billion. It took millions of years for our great-great-great-grandparents to reach the 1 billion population. But for our grandparents, it took just 100 years. This is a disturbing fact. There is imbalance in the world. The problem that we are dealing with here is population explosion and the solution to it. The effect of this problem is poverty. If the explosion continues, the rich get richer and the poor remain poorer. Explosion brings along with it poverty and unemployment. India, being the second populated country after China, is facing this degeneration. It is calculated that the population of India is equal to the total population of the two continents, Africa and South America, when combined together. How can we curb or check this imbalance? The answer to this is development. Development brings education, better health facilities, and improves lifestyle. If you look around, many families practice family planning. Nuclear family is the trend now. There are states in India which avert or revert those who practice strict family planning. The Assam government made it known that by 2021 no family will be eligible for government jobs if that family has more than 2 children. Find out more about this in the internet with regard to other states. We are now in the era of responsibility. You and I are answerable to Mother Earth. We are responsible for the happiness of our children and children's children. The ailing Mother Earth that we are witnessing now does not suggest that the end is near, but it signals that the future will be miserable and pathetic. We enjoyed and are blessed with beautiful Mother Earth. Can our children's children say the exact same thing? Please watch how a young girl shakes the conscience of the world with her speech in the UN. Let us end this chapter with reflective messages from responsible people. The full form of CEO is Chief Executive Officer. Mr. Edgar S. Woolard says that he is instead the Chief Environmental Officer. This is the character required in the era of responsibility. Margaret Thatcher says that we live on this earth as tenants, and we have to repair it whenever we destroy any part of it. Mr. Lester Brown strikes with the blow that this earth is not ours. We did not receive it from our forefathers. Instead, we borrowed it from our children. And it is our responsibility to preserve it and give it back to our children as it is. Are you now struck by this lesson? Will you do something to preserve Mother Earth? What is your view of your local environment after studying this lesson? Please let us know. Thank you.